Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute this command. Type c:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.